আসসালামু আলাইকুম, বন্ধুরা কেমন আছেন? আশা করি সবাই অনেক ভালো আছেন। আজকে আলোচনা করব কিভাবে অনলাইনে ইনকাম করা যায় এ বিষয়ে। ফুল ভিডিওটি দেখুন, তা সব বুঝতে পারবেন। তো ভিডিওটি শুরু করা যাক। আমাদের এই ভিডিওটি আর্টিকেল হিসেবে দেখতে চাইলে ডিসক্রিপশনে দেওয়া লিংকে ক্লিক করুন। How to earn money online without investment in mobile. There are several ways to earn money online without any initial investment using your mobile device. এক, তারা চিহ্ন freelancing, websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer allow you to offer your skills and service to a global audience. You can find various tasks such as writing, graphic design, programming, and more. 2. তারা চিহ্ন content creation. If you have a talent for creating videos, you can start a YouTube channel or use platforms like TikTok or Instagram to showcase your skills. Once you gain a following, you can earn money through ads and sponsorships. 3. তারা চিহ্ন online service and reviews. There are websites and apps that pay you for taking service, writing reviews, or participating in market research studies. Examples include Swagbucks, SurveyJunkie, and Amazon S Mechanical Turk. 4. তারা চিহ্ন affiliate marketing. Promote products or service through affiliate marketing programs. You earn a commission for every sale made through your referral link. Many commerce platforms and online service offer affiliate programs. 5. তারা চিহ্ন online tutoring. If you excel in a particular subject, you can become an online tutor. There are platforms like Check Tutors and Tutor.com that connect students with tutors. 6. তারা চিহ্ন sell products online. You can sell products through platforms like Etsy, eBay, or Facebook Marketplace. If you are creative, you can make and sell crafts, artwork, or other handmade items. 7. তারা চিহ্ন content writing. Many websites and blogs pay for quality content. If you have writing skills, you can contribute articles, blog posts, or other types of content to these platforms. 8. তারা চিহ্ন stock photography. If you are good at photography, you can sell your photos to stock photo websites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, or Alumi. Remember, while these methods don't require an initial investment, they often require time, effort, and consistency to start earning a significant income. Also, be cautious of potential scams and always research a platform before you start working with them. How to make money online for free? Certainly, making money online from home is a viable option, and there are several ways to do it. Here are some methods you can consider. 1. Freelancing. Offer your skills and service on platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, or Fiverr. Whether you are a writer, graphic designer, programmer, or marketer, there is a demand for various skills online. 2. Online service and reviews. Participate in paid service or write product reviews for companies that offer compensation for your opinions and feedback. 3. Content creation. Start a YouTube channel, blog, or podcast. With engaging content, you can earn money through ads, sponsorships, and donations from your audience. 4. Affiliate marketing. promote products from companies and earn a commission for every sale made through your referral links. Many online retailers offer affiliate programs. 5. Online store. Create an e-commerce store and sell products. You can use platforms like Shopify, Etsy, or eBay to reach a wider audience. 6. Remote customer service. Work as a customer service representative for companies that hire remote workers. Many businesses outsource their customer support service online. 7. Remote tutoring. If you excel in a particular subject,